This is it. It's happening. The Bitcoin price has seen a swift and heinous rejection from the $24,000 region. But could the Bitcoin price potentially be on the brink of a much larger correction to the downside? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. Well, my friends, Christmas came early. Candle Claus has come to town. We've seen this thing whipsaw to the downside, only to be gobbled back up by Moonboy speculators. But could this be short-lived? Right now, Bitcoin is testing back up to a critical resistance area on this trend. So let's dive in and analyze. But of course, my friends, before we do begin, if you could smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, thank you for that. And if you are brand new, welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. Hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, select all, and let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. So we will begin right here on the 4-hour time frame, my friends. Notice that Bitcoin right now lost this upward trending line of support. The higher low trajectory at this point in time has been broken with this savage and utter disgrace of a candle, which brought us back down to the level from which we once came. Right now, we are seeing the bulls come back in a little bit, a little wick right here, a little buying up. But the problem for me, folks, is that this horizontal line here of tentative resistance, the old ceiling, right, old micro resistance, which then upon breaking through, back tested as support, and then we saw the dump through the range. We are coming back up now and forming and finding tentative resistance once again. This has been a very tricky area to trade, my friends, as we did get a false signal yesterday, right? Here on the 4-hour time frame across both the RSI and MACD histogram indicators, we did have a hidden bullish divergence, right? Ascending higher lows, descending lower lows, right? On the indicators, my friends, that's a hidden bullish divergence. It looked like this thing could potentially be forming yet another bull flag and a rip to the upside. But then, whoopsies, we saw the drop down below that range, invalidating the hidden bullish divergence. Right now, my friends, we have to look at this from a structural standpoint, in my opinion, right? Right now, it's just this range in particular. If Bitcoin struggles to get back above this box here, right? Back above 24,000. This, to me, folks, looks like it could be a short-term ceiling before another further movement to the downside. Now, let's just for one moment talk about what to expect if we break up, okay? Well, if we break back up through this box here, get back above 24,300, right? We get back up there. Well, I mean, this, in my opinion, is extremely bullish because this could be chalked up to still, albeit a very crude bull flag, but a bull flag nonetheless, with some irrational, irregular, choppy price action to then form the sideways bullish consolidation and then rip above, and tentatively at that point look to flip this whole area from resistance into support if we were to see it dump back down. Let's get this crypto. But right now, you know, the fact of the matter is that until the price action gets back above there, now the Don has to switch his focus to what happens if the price action stays down here below the resistance, okay? Right now, take a look here. Let's go out to the daily for one moment. It's this upward sloping channel that really is the end-all be-all for me here with this trend, okay? We also, if we go out further, we do have this line here, okay? The old all-time high peak and our prior consolidation before we ripped up. Okay, that's the teal line there, right? This was our final little roof of resistance here that then once we broke through has led to our absolute top here around 24,000 right now. So if the price does in fact continue down, I mean, all eyes for the Don right now are in this vicinity. It could find support possibly along this upward sloping trend line, right? It could also, let's go here on the logarithmic, right? This upward sloping trend line connecting all of this prior support and resistance flipping, right? also in confluence with that 20K all-time high level of confluence here, this ceiling, right? And the upward sloping line, old resistance, which then flipped into support not once, not twice, but thrice before we then ripped through. Just tons of confluence here, right? And this whole range for me is basically anywhere from about 19,000 at the low end all the way up possibly into the 21,000-ish range. Of course, it all depends on if/when/where we test down into this channel. But right now, for me, if this trend is going to remain bullish, Bitcoin has to find support maintaining this higher low trajectory that it's been building. Because if we lose this here, okay, say that we drop into here and then we drop further, taking out this prior low right here at about 17,500, my friends, if Bitcoin loses this, I mean, a drop way lower is not ruled out of the realm of possibility, in my opinion. And by way lower, I mean possibly, down into the 11,000, maybe even the $10,000 range. Okay. For me right now, in terms of potential downside targets, I'm watching this channel like a hawk with an eagle eye. And right now, since the Bitcoin price has seen rejection up in this range, since we did get the false signal yesterday of a potential hidden bullish divergence, to me, this is showing that the bears may be back in town. And if this is in fact the case, the Don is going to look to potentially crush this market like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can if this trend does drop lower. Don't get caught like a deer in the headlights here, my friends. Don't take that trip to Wrecked City with Average Joe and James at the water cooler. You're better than that. You deserve better than that. My friends, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I will be keeping you updated with all of my personal speculative trade setup ideas, entry ideas, exit ideas, all of my strategy ideas. I'll be posting that exclusively for you in VIP. If you're not already in my VIP, my friends, right now I'm telling you, I am strategizing for this potential drop to the downside, right? At the end of the day, you need to have a plan for yourself. Everybody is different, right? Every trader has a different strategy, right? For the Don right now, what I'm looking for here is there short opportunity if this drops? Is there buy the dip opportunity if this drops, right? Right now, I'm strategizing my strategy for myself. Okay. And that's what I will be posting for you in VIP exclusively. So if you do want to see that from me, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Now let's also briefly take a Fibonacci retracement here. Okay. Let's just pull this up from the last low, okay, our last swing low to our current swing high, okay? Here on the logarithmic scale, my friends, you just can't make this stuff up. Look where the golden 0.618 Fibonacci retracement is, okay? Right there, my friends. Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. Right here. Right there at the top of the ceiling of old resistance and the old all-time high resistance, okay? Which, if we backtested down into, right, it would be normal to find potential bullish support at the 0.618. It would be normal to potentially test into this channel of which Bitcoin has respected for months and months on end, right? So, my friends, right now, I'm just seeing a ton of confluence here. Of course, there are no certainties or guarantees in trading. Nothing has to happen, right? But yeah, on both the logarithmic and the regular chart here, I mean, we have the 0.618 in absolute and utter confluence with this range here. So very interesting times. You need to have a plan. If you fail to plan, then your plan is to fail. The Don does not plan to fail. The Don plans to succeed. So, my friends, right now, I am preparing to potentially crush this next move, whether it's down or up. I will be strategizing for both scenarios. If you'd like to see exactly how I'll be setting up my trade setup ideas, entry ideas, exit ideas, etc., I will be posting all of that exclusively for you in VIP. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto, my friends, as Average Joe and Moonboy Montgomery continue to live that life of peril and squalor. The Don will continue to grind for every Satoshi and dollar. Let's get this crypto. On that note, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, my friends, if you could one last time, hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps the channel. Thank you for that. And if you're brand new, you've probably figured it out by now. Welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. Hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, select all, and let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. So until next time, my friends, be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.